what the president wants to do. We're on course and there's no turning this ship. Well, Donald Trump doesn't believe that. He is arrogant enough, in a good way, to say, I'm the president. And what I say to my administration goes. These people hired me to do this, and I'm going to do it in my administration and constitutionally. This is why everybody lies to you. Oh, I'm going to do this. Then they get in and they realize it's not just that they're corrupted. They realize I'm not going to change anything. The system, the ship has already sailed. The system is what it is. It's too deep. And when you have that, you have the choice. Do you become part of it and enrich yourself and protect your family and your future? Or do you go out in a ball of flame? More in just 60 seconds. If you're a person that cares about things like upholding the Constitution, it's a pretty solid bet that you're not a fan of people who are supporting tearing all of it down. That is what has happened to the left in this country. They have been trying to tear it down, and they are doing a pretty good job. They got everybody in their pocket, including a lot of big businesses, because the ship is already sailed. Well, if you are on Verizon or any of these big mobile
for you, please.
I said this isn't. I think, like out of the 7.
To fund big phone, big tech. Here you can do it.
Bringing us Chopin's Heroic Polonaise on WCRB 1023 here on this Thursday. It's already the last day of our condensed fall membership drive. We're happy to be here playing the music that brightens your day. This music can only continue if the people who listen to it support it. We're doing well with our drive, but if you haven't had a chance yet, we could sure use your contribution. Your gift will keep the music playing and help end this 3-day fun drive successfully. Online at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272. I'm Jesse Jacobs here with Mark Cohen.
And just to kick things up into a higher gear, we have a dollar-for-dollar match that's in effect right now, and that's all thanks to some very generous WCRB members. It's their way of encouraging you to support WCRB during this short membership drive. Your contribution, joined with others, will help pay for twice as much of the music that you rely on more than ever. So please help earn every matching dollar by giving right now. Very easy to do at 888-995-9272. Online contributions will be matched as well. Look for the donate button when you find us over at classicalwcrb.org.
You know, every piece of music has a story behind it. What inspired it, how it was written, its first performance, and then there's your story. When did you first hear it? Where were you? Who was with you? No matter how often you hear it, those memories remain. Music has a way of bringing up feelings no words can describe. It's why you listen to WCRB, and it's why we help you support it. With a donation right now, classicalwcrb.org, 888-995-9272.
888-995-9272 or online, classicalwcrb.org. You know, everyone's routines are different than it was just 6 months ago. And even the way we're doing our home membership drive is different. We've condensed this drive from 7 days down to 3 so that we can do what we do best. Of course, that's play music that makes your day just a little bit better. But you know, we can't put off the need for financial support. This is the last day of our drive, and we're taking the time to ask if you can please make a contribution, and please do so now, since you're listening now. We want to raise the money needed to keep WCRB back to playing the music as quickly as possible and make this drive a success. We need your help though, so please go to the phone, 888-995-9272 or online, classicalwcrb.org.
And donating now is the perfect time. We have a dollar-for-dollar match in effect thanks to a generous group of WCRB
must-have if you're backpacking, something to keep in your glove compartment or even your emergency bag. Makes a great gift too. Christmas just around the corner. $10 a month in a sustainer plan or $120 all at once. Ask for the Eton Emergency Radio when you give us a call, 888-995-9272, or online, classicalwcrb.org.
We heard from Dennis in East Walpole. He said sometimes you need to take a break from the challenges we're facing today. WCRB allows us to drift outside the sense of politics, struggle, and uncertainty by listening to classical radio. If WCRB is your escape, it's your respite during these challenging times, please let us know with your support now at classicalwcrb.org or 888-995-9272.
And don't forget, we have a dollar for dollar match going on right now. These dollar for dollar matches don't come around too often. It's your chance to have the power of your giving go twice as far thanks to some very generous WCRB members. Dollar for dollar match. That's right. You heard correctly. Go to the phone right now with your support, 888-995-9272 or classicalwcrb.org.
And support WCRB at just $10 a month, and we'll thank you with the new Eton Radio. The Eton gets AM, FM, and the National Weather Service channel, and this one features multiple power sources, including a hand crank and solar power. You've heard it called the Swiss Army knife of radios. With good reason, you're going to need one.
Beck.com. And go to blazetv.com/select.
Governor Raimondo yesterday put the blame on colleges in the state for a rise in coronavirus cases. The new spike has caused the Ocean State to be re-added to the travel restriction list of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Providence Public Schools says that high school seniors will return to in-person learning next week. In sports, the Red Sox face the Orioles tonight at 7:30. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Today, partly cloudy with some increasing afternoon clouds. Another warm one as highs climb to the upper 70s near 80 degrees. Warm again tomorrow in the upper 70s and more sunshine, mostly clear. A dry and warm pattern continues through the weekend with slightly higher humidity. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Right lane brush cutting on Route 6 East going on between Hartford Ave and Plainfield Street. The Rhode Island DOT reminding drivers of the new traffic pattern. On 95 North at exit 30 in Pawtucket, one lane goes to the left, two on the right. You want to stay in your lane. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by IRS.gov. SSI recipients, if you have children under 17, you must act by September 30th to get the $500 economic impact payment per child this year. Enter your child's information in the non-filer tool at IRS.gov, produced at U.S. taxpayer expense.
Our iHeartRadio Music Festival brought the biggest artists in music back together for 2 nights of live performances you'll never forget. Stay plugged in and played loud. Superstar collaboration, powerful performances, iconic covers, state-of-the-art virtual technology, while iHeartRadio listeners experienced it all live as it happened from the first ever video fan wall. See for yourself.
Watch our must-see iHeartRadio Music Festival this Sunday and Monday night at 8 p.m. on CW Providence.
For most folks, a comfortable retirement requires steady income. But many people wonder, how can I maintain income once I've stopped working? The Retirement Income Store may be the solution for you.
I'm David Scranton. During my career, I found that most baby boomers have done a great job growing their retirement savings, yet many don't know how to convert their savings into steady income. And that is why I built the Retirement Income Store, to help hardworking Americans preserve their assets and establish steady streams of income.
Call the Retirement Income Store at 860